I bet you didn't know how easy it is to make sauerkraut at home. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sauerkraut right at home. It's super easy and only takes a few ingredients and a bit of patience. Plus, it's a fantastic way to add some zing to your meals. First up, here's what you'll need. 1 head of green cabbage, cored and shredded. 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. And if you want to jazz it up a bit, a teaspoon of caraway seeds and half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but those are totally optional. All right, let's get started. Grab a large bowl and toss in your shredded cabbage. Add your salt, and if you're feeling adventurous, those caraway seeds and red pepper flakes. Now get your hands in there and massage that cabbage. Yep, you heard me right. Squeeze and knead it until the cabbage is nice and wilted and has released its juices. This takes about 10 minutes. Next, pack the cabbage tightly into a glass jar. Press it down to remove any air bubbles. We want it snug. Place a weight on top, like a clean jar filled with water, to keep the cabbage submerged in its brine. Seal the jar with a tight-fitting lid and store it in a cool, dark place. Now the waiting game begins. After 2-4 weeks, your sauerkraut will be ready. The longer you let it sit, the tangier it gets. If you're in a hurry, a sunny spot can speed things up. Once it's done, pop it in the fridge and it'll last up to 6 months. Use it to jazz up sandwiches, salads, or soups. There you have it, homemade sauerkraut. Enjoy! Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes.